Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this trapezoid ABCD that consists of these two triangles. The right triangle ABC and the green shaded triangle ACD, as you can see in this given diagram. And moreover, the area of this triangle ABC has been given to us as 54 centimeter square. And its side BC length is 9 centimeter, and furthermore this side AD is equal to this side CD, and these angles are our 90-degree angles. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded triangle ACD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step, since we are interested in calculating the area of this green shaded triangle ACD. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this green shaded region area is going to be equal to the whole trapezoid ABCD area minus the area of the right triangle ABC. And now we know that our right triangle ABC area is 54 centimeter square. So therefore now our task is to calculate the area of this trapezoid ABCD. And now let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula. Area is always equal to height h times the sum of the bases a and b all over 2. And here we can see our height of this trapezoid is 9. However, the value of these two bases a and b is unknown. So therefore now our task is to calculate this base a value and this base b value. And now let's focus on this right triangle ABC. And let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this triangle is this AB length, whereas the height is 9 and the area has been given to us as 54. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So the area is 54 is going to be equal to a half times our base is our this AB length times the height is 9. And now I am going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this fraction, which is 2 divided by 9 on the left hand side and 2 divided by 9 on the right hand side as well. And here we can see the 9s are gone and 2 are gone as well. So therefore our AB side length turns out to be equal to, if we multiply and simplify, that is going to give us 12 centimeter. So thus our this AB side length turns out to be 12. And now our task is to calculate this side CD length. So therefore we are going to think outside the box, and we have created this right triangle AED such that this side EC length equal to this side AB length. If this is 12, then this EC length has got to be 12 as well. And likewise this side AE length is going to be equal to this BC length. If this is 9, then this side has got to be 9 as well. And now let's assume that this segment ED length is x, and we know this whole length is 12. So therefore this remaining CD length is going to be 12 minus x. And now we know that this side AD length equal to this CD length. We know our CD length is 12 minus x. So therefore this AD length has got to be 12 minus x as well. And now let's focus on this blue right triangle AED. And we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem, a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is 12 minus x, whereas our two other legs are x and 9. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So we are going to have x square plus 9 square equal to 12 minus x whole square. And now let's recall this famous identity. A minus b whole square could be written as a square minus 2ab plus b square. We are going to apply it on this binomial on the right hand side. So therefore we are going to have x square plus 81 equals to 144 minus 24 x plus x square. And now we can see this x square and x square gone. And now I'm going to move this 24x on the other side, and at the same time I'm going to move this 81 in the opposite direction as well. So therefore we could write 24x equals to 144 minus 81. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 24 to isolate x. And here we can see our x value simply turns out to be equal to, if we reduce this right hand side, that is going to give us 21 divided by 8 centimeter. And now we know our x value simply turns out to be 21 divided by 8. So therefore this CD length, which is 12 minus x, I'm going to substitute x value over here. So therefore 12 minus x means this 12, and minus x value is 21 divided by 8. And if we subtract, that is going to give us 75 divided by 8 centimeter. So therefore this CD segment simply turns out to be 75 divided by 8 centimeter. So thus our this side CD length turns out to be 75 divided by 8. And now we are going to calculate the area of this trapezoid ABCD. And now let's recall once again the area of the trapezoid formula. Area equals to the height h times a plus b all over 2. And in our case, our base a value is 75 divided by 8, base b value is 12, height is 9. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So our height is 9 divided by 2 times our a value is 75 divided by 8 plus 12. And now let's focus on this quantity inside this parenthesis. This could be written as 75 divided by 8 plus 12 could be written as 96 divided by 8. And if we add them, that is going to give us 171 divided by 8. So thus we are ended up with 9 divided by 2 times 171 divided by 8. And if we multiply, that is going to be equal to 1539 divided by 16. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this green shaded triangle ACD. And now let's recall this equation once again. The green shaded triangle area is going to be equal to the trapezoid ABCD area minus the triangle ABC area. And now we can see our trapezoid area is 1539 divided by 16, whereas our triangle ABC area is 54. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So trapezoid area is 1539 divided by 16 minus 54. And in this next step, I can tweak this 54. This could be written as 864 divided by 16. And if we subtract, that is going to give us 675 divided by 16 centimeter square, the area of this green shaded triangle. So thus, after all the calculations and manipulations, the green shaded triangle area turns out to be 675 divided by 16 centimeter square. And in terms of decimals, it's going to be equal to 42.18 0.75 centimeter square as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.